Okay, so it's persimmon season, right? These little ugly things that you're like, what are these things? Where do they come from? What is this, right? What are you gonna do with these? Are you gonna just take a bite out of it and eat it? I mean, I don't know. Ariana thinks we can. And I've never tried it, so maybe I'll try that at the end. But I wanted to talk to you about this. So you get these and they're waxy, hard, and you see them everywhere in the grocery store. I love them. Our friend, the Persimmons, it's one of my favorite things, my favorite treat of this time of year. They grow all during the summertime. They're like little buds, and then they sit on your trees, and when they fall off is when they are ready. Don't pick these. If you see the persimmons, let it fall to the ground, right? If you're in the grocery store, what you're looking for is something that's like a little bit semi-soft, not something too hard, unless you're gonna hang them. And if you're gonna hang them, that's a really cool thing to do. Right now, these are past the point of hanging them because they're already dried and they're ready to eat. But when these are green, you put a string around it and you can hang them anywhere in your kitchen, anywhere that would not be directly in light, and they get like really tough and leathery. Peel the skin off and you can put them on any cheese plate. You eat them as a jelly or as a fruit, use them on toast on bread. They're really good on like a Korean milk bread, so delicious, one of my favorite things. People talk about like Japanese milk bread. I love Korean milk toast, whatever, whatever. You have to like what you like. Anyway, what I did with these is really fun. So I take them, and when they're nice and soft like this one, squishy, almost squishy, right? You can see I'm moving it around. Take it, and we're gonna cut off the top. And you can use a spoon even. I'm just using a big fat knife because that's what I have. And you can see inside, the flesh is all gooey, like really gooey, mushy, and it's all in my hand. This right here is like literally, I can't describe it. It's like gold. It's like jelly gold. And it's something that I just love to use into making syrups with wine, preserving it, different flavors, adding just a little bit of sugar if you want. But honestly, explore the persimmons, use it in your cocktails, and I'll see you on the other side of this cocktail.